All right, guys, thank you for joining me again. Just picked this PlayStation Portal, PS Portal. I've been reading a lot about this with the remote play. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so let's see. How do we open this guy up? Okay. First thing first, get this box out of the way. Okay. Oh, nice. Okay, right here. Just put this on the side for a second. Okay. Some cables in here. So, wow. How are we gonna get this out? Okay, USB-C cable, guys, charging cable. Put this on the side for a second. And here's the start of the show, along with some reading material, so don't care about that. Put this on the side. Here is the PS Portal, guys. Alright, so this is the black edition, guys. Let's take this out. Nice. All right. Pretty good screen, guys. Pretty decent size. It's a nice feeling. Let me start this guy up. Power button. So right here. Oh, it's charged a little bit. Let's see. Come on. All right. It's up again. So, starting up the first time. It's taking a little bit of time. Okay, pick up English, United States, network. Let me just pick up the network and I'll get back to you guys. Okay. So here's the unboxing, guys. It's setting up. Nothing major to it. Just a PS Portal. It's a bummer for $200. They'll just send you this. Won't give you any cases or anything with it. But that's something I guess we'll have to get ourselves. All right. So then. So we're in the Central US. Pick up the date. And what time is it right now? It's about 7:12. Okay. All right. Let's. Okay, guys. Well, I'm gonna do an update and do a product review. So let me know if you guys wanna see something more. But here's the product unboxing for PS Portal, guys. Thank you.